What's the meaning of Chinese leaf? Chinese leaf. Chinese leaf.
Chinese leaf. Chinese leaf. Chinese leaf is a term commonly used to refer to a type of vegetable that is also known as Napa cabbage or Chinese cabbage. It is a leafy vegetable that is often used in Asian cuisine, particularly in Chinese, Korean, and Japanese dishes. Chinese leaf has a mild, sweet taste with a crunchy texture and is commonly used in soups, stir-fries, and salads. It is a good source of several nutrients, including vitamin C, fiber, and potassium, and may have health benefits such as reducing the risk of certain types of cancer and promoting gut health.